Hey everyone, it's Georgina here. Today I'm going to share some fabulous tips on how to walk in high heels like a pro. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to refine your skills, these steps will have you strutting with confidence in no time. We're talking about owning the room, commanding attention, and feeling like the baddest B** teacher alive. So grab your highest heels and let's get started. All right, ladies, first things first, we need to find you the perfect pair of heels. Start with a lower heel or a chunky block heel. You want something stable and comfortable. And make sure those shoes fit properly. Too loose and you'll be slipping, too tight and you'll be in agony. Look for shoes with ankle straps or cushioned soles for extra support. Okay, now that you've got your Cinderella shoes, let's talk posture. This is where the real magic happens. Imagine you're a queen walking through her palace, shoulders back, chest slightly forward, and head held high. Engage that core, girl. It's like wearing an invisible corset that keeps you balanced and stable. And remember, keep that spine aligned like a pro, no slouching allowed. We want to distribute that weight evenly and avoid any unnecessary aches and pains. Now, for the main event, walking in those gorgeous heels. Take small, controlled steps, ladies. Place your heel down first, then roll through the ball of your foot. Keep your steps close together and imagine a straight line. This will give you that elegant, runway-ready stride. Walking in heels takes practice. It's like riding a bike, a really glamorous bike. Start on smooth surfaces before cobblestones and gravel. If wobbly, stand on one foot or walk near a wall. Wear your heels around the house to get comfortable. So you've mastered the basics. Now let's conquer real-world obstacles. Cobblestones, grass, gravel, they're all out to get you. Land on the balls of your feet for more stability. It prevents those dreaded ankle-twisting moments. Worried about slipping? Invest in grip pads. They're lifesavers for your stilettos. Listen up, ladies. Taking care of your feet is non-negotiable. After a long day in heels, give your feet some TLC. Stretch those calves, ankles, and toes. Alternate with comfy flats or sneakers. Your feet will thank you. Want to wow the audience? The most important tip of all is that confidence is everything. Even if you're still getting the hang of walking in heels, hold your head high and own it. Fake it till you make it, babe. Remember, the way you carry yourself is just as important as the shoes on your feet, so channel your inner goddess, embrace the wobble, and strut your stuff with confidence.
First of all, what went through my mind is how stupid am I to actually...
Like heels, remember, practice makes perfect. And with these tips, you'll be walking in high heels like a runway model in no time. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fashion tips and tricks. See you next time.